Sanshu Inu is trending on both CoinMarketcap and Coingecko today. Why is this dog that was created just a month ago trending today and doesn't have a good shot of pumping this summer? Welcome back to Wreck to Riches Trend Alert, where we either get rich or we get wrecked. Today we're looking at Sanshu Inu, a dog coin. Sanshu Inu is trending on CoinMarketcap and Coingecko today because they were just listed on Whitebit exchange. What is Sanshu Inu? Why are they being hyped right now? Well, let's take a look. So if you go to sanshuinu.finance, you'll see their site. So Sanshu Inu Finance, in their own words, is a community-focused, decentralized transaction network and is fully decentralized, and all decisions are made by the community. So the first thing I want to point out about Sanshu Inu is that they have really good site graphics and design. So if you just scroll down really fast, they have really good stickers, which is obviously very important for a dog coin because you need it to trend heavily on Telegram and on Twitter, and the stickers have great graphics. They have a lot of funny ones here, and you can just tell the design is crisp. So they clearly care about their community and also presenting a good image to potential buyers. So let's take a look at the rest of their site. So you can see here they say that they're part of the newly emerging Inu family. So they're trying to join in on all the other dog Inus that exist. They're fully deflationary. That appreciates every single transaction. So similar to other tokens like Kishu, they have a burn and redistribution mechanism. So for Sanshu, it's 1% of each transaction is burned and 1% is distributed as rewards to holders. So that's great to see too. Here you can see their stats. So they have 28,000 holders, a lot of trading volume, a lot of Telegram members, 11,000, and obviously a huge percent return already, but hopefully more in the future. And here you can see the features. So we went through already the token burn. They actually burned 58% of the token supply, which is huge. And they have the redistribution, which we already went through. They had a fair launch. They have a community focus, so the community is big for them. Obviously, they put that at the beginning where the community decides what happens. And down here, they have their roadmap. So you can see here's all the things that they've already done, all the ones in green. And down here is the ones coming up. And this is the one, if you look at their community, they're always talking about this, which is Dog Park. So it's a feature where you can yield farm Sanshu Inu and other dog tokens. So this is supposed to be huge. It was slated for May. It was moved back to June. It's supposed to be released on June 20th. If they can get this out the door, Sanshu will moon. It is a great risk reward, even just for Dog Park. And lastly, off their site, I want to cover this because this is very smart. They have a community marketing fund. So they say we're a fully decentralized community project, and then you can actually send ETH, or actually any ERC20 token, to this address. And so it's very important for all these projects, obviously, to do marketing. They all have community funds, but I really like the way Sanshu put this directly on their site, so the community and the people who believe in the project can actually donate, and then they could do all those cool marketing projects. So you know a dog coin is nothing without their social community. So let's go over the social stats for Sanshu Inu. So they have an 11.5 thousand Telegram chat here with a very active community, lots of people posting. They have a big Reddit, you can see here, as well as 10,000 followers on Twitter. And the team is very active on posting there. And they also have a legit Discord as well. And then finally, they have this Instagram, which is huge, 157,000 followers, which is really big for meme tokens. So let's go over where people can actually get Sanshu Inu. So for DEXs, it says here on CoinMarketCap, they're on Uniswap, and then I also saw 1inch on their website. And then also for centralized exchange, they're in Bilaxy, Hotbit, and then obviously today, which is what made them trend, they were just announced on Whitebit. So they have a good amount of purchase options. So let's take a look at where they are price-wise. So if you go to their all-time chart, you can see here that they went up a lot when all the other dogs were mooning, and then just like most of the dogs at this point, they have kind of consolidated and bottomed out here, and they're far from their all-time high. So that's why I'm at least picking up some Sanshu, because it looks from their chart like they've bottomed out for the most part. And if they even can get Dog Park out within the next month or two, then Sanshu will moon on that announcement alone. And it seems to be consolidating here. And we never know when the dogs will all go for a run. But I think a big announcement like Dog Park, where you can actually yield farm other dog tokens, would make this jump into tier 2 dogland. So that's it for today's episode. I can see why Sanshu is trending right now. It's a very high potential, high reward dog token, and I want to see what it does this summer with Dog Park. So what do you think? Do you have Sanshu Inu? Do you like a different dog? Let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next Trend Alert.